Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a bit of a review on some sausage rolls which aren't sausage rolls. Now on the channel this week we're going to be doing some vegan pies and sweet stuff and some of these things. Sausage rolls but not sausage rolls. Well, you get the drift. Now let's start off from the very beginning. Now I have tried naughty vegan products before. We sell them in our shop and lots of them. Now this type of range we don't do. So I've actually travelled down to Bristol into the nearest Morrison's store, and this is what I got off the shelf. Naughty vegan. So let's start off our little surprise with the no meat sausage rolls, but they call them No Piggy in the middle. What a strange name. Yeah, this is the one, Piggy in the middle. I do like the way the design of the box. It does look really nice, and I just love the way they've done the decoration down the bottom. No piggy in the middle. Why even mention the word piggy? Because there ain't nothing in it. And I can bet your bottom dollar this stuff is just full of rusk. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if this ain't a sage and onion stuffing ball as it comes rolled up. So this is how they turn up. They are frozen and they've got this sort of herby type stuff on there. I'm not really sure what the decoration's for. They might as well have had it plain, but that's how they come. It's just standard frozen. Now for baking this off, you're going to need an oven temperature of around about 200. And you're going to be baking these in a fan assisted oven for around 30 minutes. Now today I've baked mine for 35 minutes because they were still white after 30 minutes. And that extra 5 minutes did make a difference. What should we expect? So let's have a look and see what's in the ingredients. This saves me getting glasses, and let's have a look at the nutrients. Yeah, so we know they're full of fat, and a lot of it, and rusk. So let's move on swiftly and have a look at the baked pie. Well, that's your sausage roll. Oh, beg your pardon, no meat in this one. Oh, we'll call it a sausage roll for now, though it's a vegan sausage roll, whatever next. It's a sausage roll, but with no meat. So there we go. It does look really nice from the outset. That does look the business. So let's have a sniff. Smells quite fine actually. So let's stop all this mucking around. Let's cut them open and have a look. Oh, as expected. Do you want a close-up of this? Go on, let's have a look. So what have we actually got in this? Yes, it looks like one of them stuffing balls you have at Christmas. Pastry's nice though. That does look the business. Nicely baked and a nice bit of puff in there. They have got a bit of room in there for more something, meat maybe, to give this a bit of flavour. So as per usual, we'll start off with tasting the pastry. I won't taste the stuff on the top because it's got some on it. Let's go for the bottom bit. As per usual, pretty bland and no salt. What on earth do they do? No salt. Right, moving on straight to it because the pastry's nothing to talk about, to be honest. We're now going to eat the whole piece just to see what the sage and onion stuffing's like, because that's basically it. There is absolutely nothing in this apart from a shed of fat and a shed of mixed herbs and God knows what, and that stuff we call filler in the trade, and that is it. Almost betting that. So let's go for it. Oh. Well, I need a drink. I haven't got one here. I should have one. First and foremost, all my inside of my mouth is now, if you remember the fat I reviewed a few weeks back, vegetable oil. It's like eating a mouthful of vegetable oil. That is all round in the inside. The herbs are banging the back of my neck. I can taste all those herbs running around, and it's peppery as well. I can honestly say, now I'm sorry vegans, you're not gonna like this. This is absolutely ghastly, and I could do better than this myself. And I don't know how the hell this company's actually selling this. It is pretty bad. And I can tell you what flavours are like. This is not a good flavour at all. I'm sorry, but that is absolutely disgusting. And 12 months ago, I've watched 5 different reviews on this product, and every one of them said how wonderful it was. Well, I can honestly say 12 months ago, maybe you had something with meat in it, or you had something different to this, but this is not nice by a long shot. That box will cost you £2.50 today, and they do a special deal. Well, at the time of purchase, if you bought a third one, you get it free. Well, actually, maybe this was the one that should have gone straight in the dustbin. So I'm going to sum this up very quick and easy. If you've had this product before, pop a comment down below my video and let me know what you think about it. But I'm just telling you from a professional point of view, this is not nice. I can do better than that. It is pretty ropey. Dare I say, I've tasted better supermarket stuffing balls. Okay, they didn't have the pastry, but they weren't as fatty as that. I mean, this is diabolical. I sell better vegan sausage rolls in my shop. This is not worth the money. It's really bad. Well, there you go, folks. Sorry about this type of review, but I do like to get something really up there for you. And I'm afraid the best I can possibly give this one is 4 out of 10. And that is really the best I can do. That is pretty ropey. I don't know how they sell it. Let's hope the other products I've bought from the supermarket are going to be better than this. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!